Hi, I am Manish Dave from SMARTSTATION. Apurva Computer Technologies Pvt is founded in 1997, and since last 27 years we are providing product and solutions which industries requires. Initially we have started from thin clients. Thin client is a technology where clients will get connected to the servers, and on virtualization all the machines will work and user get optimized environment. Then onwards we have introduced SMB micro PC, which are need of this time, where very small form factor computers can provide ultimate power computing in their environment. It can suffice for any of their office related work. We have also introduced a fanless machines which are useful in industries where 24/7 computing is required, and that serves applications like media players on airports, then toll booth applications with multiple serial ports, with UTM devices and security devices needed for the cyber security with multiple Ethernet ports. So we have almost all the product range which is needed by any of the industries, like AV in Infocom. The Infocom is an exhibition which displays majority of audio and visuals equipments. Our products are also equivalent and providing boosting for the AV applications. Larger displays, OPS requirement is there, that SMARTSTATION is providing OPS also. So we provide almost all the applications, and Infocom we are participating since last 3 consecutive years, and the response in Infocom is excellent. We meet partners from all the zone and states of India, and we connect with them and we expand our business. We have our Make in India products and set up in Ahmedabad. So all the products in getting assembled in Ahmedabad, and we do all the quality checks as per the requirement of the industries, and we serve the quality products, and here we get appreciation from all the partners who works with us about the quality and about the services what we are providing. So we are really happy participating in Infocom. Next year also we are same way participating in Infocom. Thank you all of my partners who trusted us on as a SMARTSTATION, and they believe in us, and we continue to give them end-to-end solutions what they required with good quality, accuracy and velocity.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.